Alright, so you want a Game Pass that'll give players tools if they own it? Well, you've come to the right place. This will be working 2020 this year. So without further ado, let's get the intro out of the way and we'll get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, tutorial. We'll be doing uploads every Saturday. But anyways, we're going to be doing a script that will give players a specific tool if they own a Game Pass. So it's pretty cool. This will be working 2020. I know I've seen like some that don't work at all. But anyways, as always, there's going to be a GitHub in the description. Click on that, select this tutorial there. Get the script, or if you really want to, you can write down the script as I write it in the video, but you just copy and paste it. Really, it's really simple. Anyways, feel free to watch the entire video. I recommend you watch the timestamps on screen, as they will be important. The first one will be how to change the Game Pass ID, or how to get the Game Pass ID. Wait, no. The first timestamp will be how to make a Game Pass. The second timestamp will be how to get the Game Pass ID. And the third Game Pass is how to add the tool that the player will get if they own the Game Pass. So anyways, go ahead, get the script, look at the timestamps, but we're going to go ahead and make the Game Pass right now. So I'll see you in regular view or whatever. Okay. So we're now at the game page. So you want to go to your game page, then go to store and click add pass. Make sure it's add pass, not add gear. So you can see I already have a Game Pass here, but what you want to do is add a image. It can be any image, but I'll just choose a random one and I'll do that really fast. So I just got a simple check mark image, and what you want to do is just name it. I'll name mine check tutorial. Tutorial. Preview it. It's taking a long time to preview. So once you're here, it might show this, but that's usually it being moderated or being checked. So go ahead, verify the upload. Now you have a Game Pass. Wow. Let's start selling. I want to go sell now. So OMG, where is the Game Pass? I can't see the Game Pass. Oh my gosh, I'm going to dislike this video. It doesn't work, angry face. To do sell, or to actually sell it, you want to go to the Game Pass page, configure, click sales, item for sale, and just put any price. Oh no. Oh yeah. I'll take that. Boom, money. Look how much money I'm making. So we're going to do that. If we go to details, as you can see, it's on sale now, and you click store, bam, that's a lot of money. Hey guys, if you mind buying this, I'd really appreciate it. Yeah. So anyways, we'll save this as a page, but we're gonna go back to Roblox Studio now, so I'll see you there. Alright, so now we're back in Roblox Studio, and we're actually going to now do the writing of the script. So it's pretty simple. Go ahead and insert a script into workspace, and we'll get started. So first we're going to need marketplace service. Marketplace service is basically the Game Pass IDs, basically what you use to buy for buying stuff. So we're going to reference it. Marketplace service equals get service marketplace service. Next, we're going to want to reference players with players, not players, players. There we go. Game colon. I keep doing semicolon. And then we have that. We're going to specify the Game Pass ID. So to get the Game Pass ID, what we're going to want to do is add this simple line of code. I want capital, yeah, so it can be easier. Game Pass ID equals, and what we're going to put here is the Game Pass ID. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Game Pass page, and I'll do that right now. So now that we're here at the Game Pass page, what you want to do is go up here to the link thingy, whatever, the address bar, whatever it's called. You want to select it and then get this these numbers right here and copy them, and we'll go back to studio. Hi, welcome back to studio. I'm Time Traveler. So anyways, what you want to do is paste it there. That's literally it. So anyways, we can go ahead and go down 2 lines. So now, next we're going to do the checking player spawn, whatever. So we're just gonna do function on player spawned. Then parentheses player. And we now have a function. Yay. So what we're going to do now is local has pass equals false. This is basically going to be our identifier for if the person has the game pass. So by default we'll have it to false, so all we need to do is, if they have the game pass, is just set it to true. That's pretty simple. So next what we're going to do is the success, or if the player owns the game pass. So local success message equals pcall function. So now what we want to do is has pass equals marketplace service colon user owns game pass async player dot user ID game pass ID. So you might be wondering, what does this do? Well, what it does is it if the what's it called here, if the user owns game pass right here, and it'll check by using user ID, it'll set has pass to whatever this is. So if they do not own the game pass, it'll keep it as false, and if they do have the game pass, it'll set it to true. So that's basically all that does. If you want to like have a confirmation, you can add a print user owns game pass. So now that we've done that, you want to go down like this, and this will be the error to issue a warning and exit the function to not break the entire script. So we're going to do if not success, then you can do a warn, print anything. I recommend the warn, since in the console it will highlight it yellow so you can see the error. So error with checking player with game pass. You can basically put anything, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to do a colon, and this will display the error. So dot dot, make sure you do space, dot dot, to string message, and it'll basically do this right here. And then you want to return it. Why does it do that? Return. Now once you've done that, we're going to go down a bit more now, and this will be the actual giving of the tool. So we're going to do if has pass double equals true, then so this is basically the function that we're going to have if the player owns the game pass. So since we're doing a tool, since we're using tools for this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and get a tool. So I'm just gonna get like let's get a gun. What guns are there? Let's get a gun. We'll just choose this. I've used this before. So this will be named subspace gun. I'll just name it gun for tutorial purposes. So anyways, now that you have the gun, you want to go ahead and put it in lighting or server storage, but we're going to be using lighting for today. So what you want to do now is game.lighting brackets parentheses and the name of it. Mine's named gun, so gun and then colon clone parentheses, I'm pretty sure what they're called, dot parent equals player dot backpack. So like, oh, what's this? Well, what this does is if has pass is true, basically this. So if they own the game pass, it'll get this tool right here, it'll clone it, and the cloned parent will be the player's backpack. So like, oh wow, that's so cool, can I use it now? Well, this is a function, which means it's not going to be automatically happening. So what we want to do is activate the function when a player joins the game. So what we want to do is game.play. Why does it do that? Game.players.player added :connect function. So players, that's the thing I should, okay. So once you have this written down, we're gonna, same as always, we're going to put the defining player thing here. So I usually do PLR, you can put player, dogs, cats, cake, anything. I usually do PLR to keep it simple, so PLR dot character added, if I'm correct, it should be that. Connect function, we're not defining anything here, and then do on player spawned PLR. What this will do is, once the player is added, it will check if the characters has been added as well. So because players have a user or a player, which will go in here, and the actual character, which is in workspace. So we're checking once this is added, we're going to do on player spawn PLR, which is our function. So now that you've done that, we're going to write one last piece of code or a line. Do players dot character added :connect on player spawned. Oh, players, not player. And make sure it's that. Okay. That should be it. It should be working. Let's go ahead and give it a test. As you can see, we have the tool now. Not sure why that's erroring. That's weird. But we have the gun. And if this is done correctly, if I remove a digit, we should not be getting the tool. Yeah. So that's basically it. That's all you really need to know. I'm not sure why this is erroring, but if you guys can remove it and see if it still works, but if you don't really mind about a console being clean, you can go ahead and remove it. But that's basically it. You guys have a working Game Pass script that works 20/20, and it is not broken, deprecated, or anything. So go ahead and use this how you like. Feel free to credit me. You do not have to credit me though. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, possibly comment. If you want to suggest any tutorial that I should do, there will be a form in the description and on the GitHub. Please subscribe, because I'll put an image on screen just like all the YouTubers do. That's a pretty big number of people not subscribed watching my videos. See how tiny that number is of subscribed people? You can be that cool person and subscribe right now and increase that subscribed number. But anyways, we're going to end it here. See you all next time.